Greetings, dancehall queen Spice, after many days of teasing, dropped a bomb on the social media app Twitter last night with the release of a 23-second long preview for her new single, Tape Measure. The clip itself was short in length, but there was nothing short about the video. You understand? You know, yeah, I kind of need to go wash out my eye with some, bleach or something.
Bad man.
No, I'm not being envious or anything, But yeah, I know my shortcomings. But anyways, this is not about me. Here's the clip that was dropped on the Twitter app last night. It was captioned, "Bestie, this is for your eyes only. Tape Measure video drops this Friday." Here is, of course, an edited version of that video.
Tape, measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measurement, bully if I bend pan the tape measurement. 8 of 9 of reach pan the 10. Ellie long of long to the tape measurement. But if you more than 230 millimeter, if you want enter in a me middle center. Measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measurement, bully if I bend pan the tape measurement. 8 of 9 of reach pan the 10. Ellie long of long to the tape measurement. But if you more than 230 millimeter, if you want enter in a me middle center.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.